Alright, so let's go ahead and get this new one put in. And the same way we snaked it out, the same way we're going to snake it back in. Just going to basically go down with it and then go back up. And you can look and see a different spot. You got the holes you're trying to match up with these down here. So I really need both hands. Also, the new Strut comes with new mounting bolts, so we'll just use those. And actually, I will put them by the spot so when you get it stuck up there, you can go ahead and they'll be right there next to them. You can tighten them down and hold it in there for you. So once you got that locked in, you got it locked in right here as well. You actually can go ahead and run these down. Same thing over here. And it's just kind of like, because it's on the control arm and looking like that. I'll show you before I finish over there. But on the subject, just go ahead and put that in there. And you use a mallet, a hammer to make sure that's there. And then tighten this up right there. Let's run it down, really. Same thing with the bottom. You just need to push it. Gives you movement. So just so you line it up. And see, that one went straight through. No issues, really. Then you just get that. So you got that on there. You're gonna go ahead and put your sway bar link. Everything's stacked tight over there. And you get your one bolt for your bracket over here. so I can show you what it is. Hopefully you can see it. But yeah, I'll bring it to his attention. That is how Strut pretty simple, straightforward. I will have the torque specs in the description. OMW out.